Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best KitchenAid Mixer Accessories is probably one of the most versatile and helpful kitchen tools you can own, expanding the capabilities of your stand mixer far beyond simple mixing and allowing you to tackle a wider variety of culinary creations with ease and precision. From pasta makers and sausage stuffers to ice cream makers and grain mills, the right accessories can transform your cooking experience and unlock a world of exciting possibilities. Number 5. KitchenAid KSMMGA Metal Grinder. Unleash your inner chef with this versatile attachment. It seamlessly connects to your KitchenAid stand mixer, opening a world of culinary possibilities. It features fine, medium, and coarse grinding plates, ensuring perfectly textured results every time. Say goodbye to tedious manual grinding. Included sausage stuffer tubes make creating delicious homemade sausages a breeze. Experiment with different flavors and fillings. The larger food tray lets you process more ingredients at once, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Prepare larger batches with ease. For optimal results, pre-chill it before use to maintain a cold grinding temperature. This ensures a neat and clean grind. It comes with its own convenient storage case, keeping everything organized and readily accessible. It's easy to store and retrieve when you need it. What we like? It comes with various grinding plates and stuffer tubes, allowing you to create many dishes. Its larger food tray helps you process more ingredients at once, saving you time. Plus, it's neatly organized in its own storage case for convenient access. If you need an attachment for various food preparation tasks and value efficient workflow and easy storage, this is the one for you. What people say. It has a good design and is very durable. It does not get hot very fast and not very loud. It grinds accurately and fast. This meat grinder works perfect for grinding the meats that I use to make my dog's food. Cleanup is easy with the brush that comes with the kit. Makes quick work out of grinding up a pork loin to make our own sausage. Works best when the meat is cold. Also used to grind up leftover turkey to use for sandwiches. Very easy to clean. Number 4. Airpro Slicer Shredder Attachment. It's made of food-grade stainless steel and plastic. The upgraded blades make it even more versatile, and it's completely dishwasher safe. This attachment is designed to fit perfectly with most stand mixers. It's perfect for all your cooking needs, big or small. With 4 interchangeable blades, it slices, shreds, and grates with ease. Use it for cheese, vegetables, nuts, even ice. All parts are dishwasher safe. The inward-facing blades protect your hands during cleaning. A brush can easily clean any remaining bits. It makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion. It saves time and energy compared to hand-crank shredders. We stand behind our product with a 365-day warranty and 24-hour customer service. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like? This is a highly versatile attachment with 4 interchangeable blades for various slicing, shredding, and grating needs. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The multiple blades allow for a wide variety of food preparation tasks. If you're looking for an easy-to-clean, versatile attachment for all your slicing, shredding, and grating needs, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to set up. Easy to clean. Worked as it should. It feels strudel and half the price of the name brand, so I hope it lasts. Easy to use, easier to clean. Still works like new. This shredder attachment works perfectly with the KitchenAid stand mixer I have. It is easy to install by just lifting the round metal emblem at the front of the mixer. You need to make sure you tighten the knob or else the shredder will not have a good fit with the machine. This attachment has lasted us about 3 years now and is still going strong. We wash it in the top rack of the dishwasher after the 3 parts have been separated. Number 3. KitchenAid KSMTHPS Pouring Shield. Introducing the KitchenAid Secure Pouring Shield. It's designed to fit your 4.5 to 5 quart tilt head stand mixer, keeping your ingredients contained in your kitchen clean. This shield easily snaps onto your mixer bowl. It stays securely in place while you mix, making adding ingredients a breeze. Adding ingredients is simple with its large angled slide. Carefully pour in your measured ingredients without stopping the mixing process. Say goodbye to flour clouds. It keeps ingredients inside the bowl, reducing countertop messes and preventing lightweight ingredients from escaping. It fits all 4.5 and 5-quart KitchenAid tilt-head stand mixers with stainless steel bowls. The package includes one pouring shield. Please note it does not fit the KN25WPBH model. Experience cleaner, more efficient mixing with the KitchenAid Secure Pouring Shield. Order yours today. What we like. This pouring shield keeps ingredients securely in the bowl while mixing, minimizing mess. Its easy snap tabs and angled slide make adding ingredients simple. It prevents lightweight ingredients from flying out during mixing. If you want to keep your kitchen clean and your mixing process smooth, this is perfect for you. What people say. Keeps ingredients you add inside the bowl, not on your counter or floor. Clear shield lets you see how things are going inside while keeping mess to a minimum. It stops the powders from kicking back up at her. Works very well. Fits good and locks on and is stable. Very easy to remove. Love the new design. Very easy to slide in or remove, as well as add in ingredients. Less messy, making baking much easier. Number 2. FIRJOY Pouring Shield for KitchenAid. Say goodbye to messy baking. This innovative shield fits snugly onto your KitchenAid mixer's bowl, preventing ingredients from splattering. It's designed for KitchenAid 4.5 to 5-quart tilt-head stand mixers with stainless steel bowls only. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Adding ingredients mid-mix is now a breeze. It keeps everything contained, so you can focus on baking without the mess. No more flour or sugar flying around your kitchen. It makes baking easier and more enjoyable. Made from durable plastic, it's built to withstand daily use. Enjoy mess-free baking for years to come. It securely attaches to your bowl, allowing for continuous mixing without interruption. Baking just got a whole lot easier. What we like. This pouring shield fits snugly onto your mixer bowl, preventing spills and messes. It's easy to use and allows you to add ingredients without stopping the mixer. Made from durable plastic, it will last for a long time. If you're looking for a durable, easy-to-use pouring shield to keep your kitchen clean, this is a great option. What people say. It not only fits perfect, it snaps onto the bowl nice and tight. It seems to be a high-quality plastic and is half the price. This is a sturdy plastic cover that clips snugly onto the bowl. The original one that came with the bowl would not stay in place and constantly fell off if it was slightly bumped. This one is a much better fit, including fitting closely around the beater. The plastic seems to be better quality and more durable as well. Finally, a strong shield for my KitchenAid that really works. Don't hesitate to buy this, it's tight to the bowl and won't come off while mixing. Number 1. Cofun Slicer Shredder Attachment. This amazing attachment is designed to make food preparation a breeze. It's made of durable stainless steel and is compatible with multiple stand mixers. Say goodbye to tedious chopping and grating. It features 4 interchangeable blades for versatile slicing, shredding, and grinding. Made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, it's built to last and is completely dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. The inward-facing blade design protects your hands, and a secure locking mechanism prevents accidents during operation. It makes a thoughtful and practical gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Show your loved ones you care with this versatile kitchen tool. From grating cheese to shredding vegetables, it handles a wide variety of tasks, making it perfect for salads, pizzas, smoothies, and more. What we like. Made of food-grade stainless steel, it's incredibly durable and easy to clean. It offers multiple functions for slicing, shredding, and grating. The inward-facing blade design prevents hand injuries during cleaning. If you prioritize durability, versatility, and ease of cleaning in your kitchen tools, this is the one for you. What people say. They fit great. So far I used it on squash for the freezer being spiraled. First off, it is extraordinary quality. Absolutely everything that can be metal in this is, and it is good, thick, metal at that. It comes with a brush to clean, which is convenient. This is by far the overall best. Not only is it fast and easy, there's not much waste or residue at all, and it is the easiest to clean out of all methods. Excellent quality. Pretty on my mixer, durable, easy to clean. Much better bargain than an original KitchenAid factory part that are made of plastic. This will last a lifetime of use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.